Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to record the screen of your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. So to open up a screen recording tool on your laptop, you'll either have to use the combination of Windows Shift and R keys altogether, or you can simply press the print screen button over here. But if it doesn't work for you, you can press the FN button together with Escape button in order to unlock function keys, and then just press this print screen button and it will work just fine for you. So after you press the print screen button, you'll see a screen like that. Here you'll have to pick a recording option. Then just select the area of your screen that you want to record. To start recording, just press this button. And once the recording is started, your microphone is muted by default. Your system audio are unmuted also by default. So you can change it by pressing these buttons respectively. You can of course pause your video, you can stop it, you can delete it right away without saving, and all the events that happen within this area will be shown on your recording. So let's check it out. To stop recording our screen, let's press this red square button, and as you can see, Windows tells us that screen recordings are saved into screen recordings folder, obviously. To find it, let's open up our file explorer. Let's go to the videos folder. Let's open up the screen recordings folder, and here is the video that we took. Yeah, here is the folder that I opened, and the video is successfully recorded. What else I can say? And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.